Hello and welcome from the page of Kitchen Melodies. The much awaited Noboborsho or the Bengali New Year is knocking the door, which is celebrated joyfully by the Bengali community from all across the globe. It's the time to meet each other and cook special dishes. So, let's welcome another auspicious Noboborsho with a typically Bengali cuisine named Shilebata Murgi. Although the name suggests that the chicken to be prepared by using the traditional grindstone or hand grinder, but I have used the mixer grinder to prepare this dish. So let's check on my version of Murgi Bata. Let's have a quick view of the ingredients first. I have taken approximately 250 grams of chicken, slices of a big onion, 1 tomato, julienne cut 1.5 inch of ginger, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, 1 dry red chili, 2 green chilies, some minced and sliced green chilies. I have taken 2 tablespoons of mustard powder and 2 tablespoons of coconut milk powder. Finally, some salt, turmeric and Kashmiri mirch powder, and the cooking medium is mustard oil. Let's start with heating a frying pan and adding the mustard oil. When the oil gets heated up, add the garlic cloves and the dry red chili. Next, add the onion slices and mix them nicely. Once the onions gets translucent, add the ginger and again mix them. Add the tomatoes and salt, turmeric powder and Kashmiri red chili powder. Give a nice mix. Add the boneless chicken pieces to this mix. Next, add the minced green chilies. When everything gets mixed up nicely, we can now switch off the flame and we'll transfer this to a grinder bowl. And let it get cool. We will now take this and grind it into a coarse paste. We may add some salt if required and again give it a good grind. And now you can see that the paste is ready. Now in the same pan we will add a handful of mustard oil again. Let it heat nicely. We'll add the chopped green chilies now. And I will add the chicken paste which I have prepared just now. And now it's time to mix this properly and fry this gently. I will now add the mustard powder, which is soaked in water, and a pinch of salt. And again mix this with the chicken paste. And finally I'll add the coconut milk powder. You can also add freshly ground coconut paste. You can see that the chicken is becoming mushy and lumpy. You just need to mix this nicely and your butter chicken or murgi butter will be ready. This dish is ideal to serve with hot steaming rice. I can guarantee you that this typical aromatic combination of sweet coconut along with strong mustard will leave you speechless. If you have liked this recipe, please try this on coming Noboborsho and let me know. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Kitchen Melodies. Till then, bye.